Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great opportunity for me to present the research on this fourth international seminar on tourism. My name is Rani Rimunawar, and I am the main author of the research. On this occasion, I would like to present the research with title Development of Friendly Character and Working Characters for Tourism Guide Practices of SMK Students in Bali. First, we start from introduction. Bali is the most popular of Indonesia's tourism, which is already well known throughout the world. Besides its natural beauty, especially its beaches, Bali is also famous for its unique and interesting arts and culture. And tourist points in Bali are Ubud as a center for arts and rest. Nusa Lembongan is one of the dive sites in Kelungkung Regency, while Kuta, Seminyak, Jimbaran, and Nusa Dua are some places that become main destination for tourism, both beach tourism and resort, spas, etc. Bali as a complete and integrated tourist destination has a lot of interesting tourist attraction, including Kuta Beach, Tanah Lot Temple, Padang Barang Beach, Lake Beratan Bedugul, Garuda Wisnu Kencana. There is Pura Besaki, Lovina Beach with its dolphin, Ubud, Uluwatu, Kintamani, Amed, Tulamben, Menjangan Island, and many others. And now Bali also has several tourist centers full of education for children, such as zoos, three-dimensional museum, water playground, and turtle breeding grounds. And now domestic and foreign tourists always visit Bali. Data on tourist visits recorded by the Central Statistic Agency of Bali Province, and it shows that every year is increasing. During the 5 years from 2014 to 2018, there was an increase as follows. So, for this reason, Bali needs a lot of professional tour guides. The SMK Tourism Study Program is secondary level educational institution providing tour guide. The education of tour guide in Bali developed the core and characteristics that are needed for the convenience of tourists. And the question is, what kind of character does it develop? Next. We go to method. The object of this research is SMK Negeri Tu Denpasar Bali. We choose this SMK because its school has the best tourism study program in Bali, and 100% of its alumni are absorbed in the business world. And we conducted the research in 2018. The research used qualitative approach and data collection techniques or interviews and observation, while the research aims to find the key character of a tour guide for apprentice SMK student in Bali. And the respondents of the research are headmaster, head of tourism study program, several apprentice students, several alumni students, and several Bali tour guides. Next is friendly character for tourism guide. Tourists come to Bali to enjoy the natural beauty and distinctive culture, especially tourism destinations. And by coincidence, the Balinese also support tourism. The Balinese, with its distinctive culture, is enough to strengthen the tourist attractions. And friendly is the key character of a tour guide in Bali. The head of the vocational school explained that friendliness appears from several characteristics. The first is acceptance. It is how to welcome tourists, friendly, warmly, enthusiastic, and caring. The second is courtesy. How to create a pleasant atmosphere with a sympathetic attitude, courtesy, and warmth. The third is respect. How to serve tourists wisely without seeing of their background and social status. And the fourth is non-discrimination toward tourists. Do not differentiate tourists based on religion, ethnicity, race, and so on. And this meaning is in line with the characteristic of tour guide. The politeness of the language is important in providing tourism services. Okay, next. Tour guide respondent said that a tour guide should not expect tourist tips. So they gave a big tip, we should be grateful. Give a slight tip to be grateful to. Even not giving a tip must be grateful to. Because, why? Tour guide has already received an adequate salary or wage. One of the respondents shared the experience, his friend who got fired because of not friendly and disappointing tourists. The story began when his friend hoped that he could get a tip for 100,000 rupiah. And it turned out that the tourist gave a tip of only 20,000 rupiah. Then he was so disappointed, he put the money on his forehead by saying, only 20,000 rupiah. Then the tourists see that unpleasant moment, then directly report to the management. And in contrast to his friend, a family of tourists from Europe visited Bali in December 2001, and in October 2002, a Bali bomb incident devastated Bali tourism. He has been unemployed for over 6 months, and God's power of tourists from Europe called him and asked for a bank account number. The tourist said, "We share our condolences for Bali bombing, and as a thank you for your service, we transfer some money. Hopefully we can ease your burden," and it was surprising. He transferred very large money. It was 10 million rupiah, and it shows how satisfied tourists are with performing of tour guide. Okay? And next, working character for tourism guide. The head of vocational school explained the most important work character for tourism guide is to have communication skills, which is good at talking, fun and convincing tourists, know how to talk during the initial meeting, and know the right time to talk so it doesn't bother tourists. The second, can speak English. The third, master tourist destinations. Tour guide needs to master the characteristic, details, descriptions, and history of each tourist destination. The fourth is now culinary centers and souvenir, and the last, understand Balinese culture. As Holloway said, a tour guide must be a provider of information and knowledge sources, also as a translator of local culture, or the term Gelpmans and Colin Krenger was cultural moderator. Next. And tour guides need to have knowledge about Balinese Hindu religious ceremonies because it is very attractive to tourists. The tour guide must master at least 7 religious and traditional ceremonies. They are first, Melasi ceremony. Melasi lasts 3 to 4 days before Nyepi Day. Residents come to several sources of sacred springs such as lakes, springs, and seas which are believed to save the springs of life and purify themselves by taking Tirta Amarta or immortality. The second is Ngaben. Ngaben ceremony is a special ritual to deliver the corpse of family and relatives whom they love by burning. The ceremony is held grandly and with an atmosphere of fun because the family deliver the people they love to Nirvana or heaven. And the third is Mekare Kare. Mekare Kare ceremony is also known as Perang Daun Pandan. The players in this traditional ceremony are meant as a place to show their fight ability using sharp thorny pandan leaves. And the fourth is Saraswati. Saraswati ceremony is held to celebrate science, so they pray all things related to science such as books and etc. The fifth is Ngerupuk. Ngerupuk ceremony is still included in the series of Nyepi Days event. They held the ceremony to expel the Butakala so as not to interfere with human life. The rituals began with spraying house and yard with gunpowder and hitting objects to make noise. The sixth is Galungan. The term of Galungan comes from the old Japanese language and means win. As the name implies, they aim celebrating victory against evil. And the last is Mupandes. Mupandes ceremony is performed when a child enters adolescence. So they held the teeth cutting ceremony to eliminate the dangerous laws such as greed, jealousy, anger, and so on. Next. Okay, the conclusion of the research is the dominant factor of tourist attraction are tourist destination and facilities. As for humans, such as tour guide, hotel employees, and surrounding community are secondary supporting factors. However, the friendliness of the community affects the attractiveness of tourism. The key characteristic of a tour guide is friendly. This character has several characteristics such as acceptance, courtesy, respect, and non-discrimination toward tourists. They must be friendly to foreign and local tourists, to tourists who give tips big or small, even to tourists who do not give any tips, they must remain friendly. And they implement this key character in education at SMK Negeri 2 Denpasar, Bali. And the most important of all character is to have communication skill, can speak English, master tourist destinations, know culinary centers and souvenir, and understand Balinese culture. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you for attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.